Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable cookies in Safari on your Mac. If you're trying to visit a website and get a message saying cookies must be enabled, this is the fix you need. Before we jump in, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thanks. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Safari browser on your Mac. Then, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on Safari in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, or Preferences if you're using an older version of macOS. By default, you'll land on the General tab. But we want to switch to the Advanced tab. It's the one all the way to the right. Once you're in the Advanced tab, look for the option that says Block All Cookies. If the checkbox is ticked, Safari is currently blocking all cookies. To enable cookies, simply uncheck that box. Now, go back and refresh the website you were trying to access. If it still doesn't load properly, try closing Safari and reopening it. And that's it. Cookies are now enabled in Safari on your Mac. If this video helped, hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help.